Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is a reaction to the top 20 scariest tornadoes ever recorded, part 2. I did react to this just a minute ago, but I think in terms of uploading them, they're probably going to be separated by a couple of days. But yeah, we're going to just go straight into this one. I'm probably going to watch the rest of these, but because some of the footage in these videos aren't great, I'll probably skip through the ones that aren't great, or just sort of skim through them, and then the ones that have recordings that are clearer and just obviously more horrifying or whatever, I'll check those ones out. But let's just jump straight back into this and see some more of these bits of footage recorded. From what I remember of the video that I just done 2 minutes ago, so I remember a lot. Get out the way of the tornado. Stop standing waiting for it, please. Your life's more important. But let's get into it. Oh man. Czechia, Czech Republic. Okay. Oh, it's coming for you. See, this is like wrapped by like rain, right? You can't really see it very well. This is loud as fuck. Oh, yeah, I'm turning this down, man. That is fucking deafening. Holy shit. How loud is this one? Oh, okay, shut the window. Oh shit. That tree just felt like nothing. My god, man. That was a fucking blender of a sound. My days, man. Hackleburg, Alabama. Okay. Got a wide angle of this view. I mean, holy shit, you can't really see this one either. Is that? Oh no, you can. It's just fucking covering the whole screen. Oh Jesus. Oh, that one's fucking huge. Look at the horses just roaming around.
Holy crap.
Oh shit, look at the fucking lightning. That was a crazy lightning strike.
There's the left side of it.
Oh Jesus. And this car's just driving towards it. Yeah, they just can't see it or what? It's quite a calming video, I'll be honest. Like, it wasn't like showing like the obviously the how brutal it really is. Oh god. Shit. Is this all are these all just the same? They are just 2011. It said in the comment section they're all just from the same tornado outbreak, pretty much.
Hey, babe, come up here.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that's definitely it, man. I'll tell you that for free.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, it's coming to them.
There's a problem be inside right now, guys.
Dude, get inside.
Holy shit.
See, smart route. You're not waiting around for it. You just get in cover. Oh, it's over there. when it's shot, the footage is so eerie, man. Like this looks sort of, it looks so dark and gloomy. Is it inside the tornado at this point?
April 27th, 2011, Fultondale, Alabama. Tornado just went right through us. Just missed it. Wow.
What, is that his car? He literally just survived. Another tree at the other one. Wow.
It's crazy.
Jokeland.
Look at that wind.
How dark is it already? Is it night time or is it just dark because of the storm?
It must be over there. Gotta
Can't
be.
even see it. That's
Crazy.
fucked.
Wow.
Yeah, if you can't see it and you hear it's getting more hectic, you might want to go, bro. Oh.
Right there.
Bro, you can't see a thing. You're literally blind in this. You can't see anything.
Go in. Whoa. Yeah, that's right there. Shall we go in or? Yeah. Let's go in. It's getting ugly out there. Oh no. Oh man. It went the tree. Let's go in.
Bro, how are you so casual? You just seen a tree get taken down in front of you and you're just like, should we go in? Should we go in? Yeah, maybe. Your fucking tree's just been taken down in front of you.
Okay.
What the fuck was that sound?
It's alright. Stay calm, you're right. Come here. It's passing by.
There's someone laughing.
Stay calm. Stay down.
Oh my days.
We're okay, it's passing, it's passing. Just stay calm. Don't scare the kids, just stay calm. It's passing.
She's laughing.
Yeah. Tree fell down? The tree.
Bloody hell, man. It's still going.
Stay away from the window, Grandpa. Come over here.
That's the other hand.
What the fuck is that sound?
It's passing. It's passing. Wow. How many cars got wrecked?
Bloody hell, that was mad. Just laughing whilst it's going. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Oh man. We've been thrown in the deep end. Washington, Illinois. We're straight in the fucking eye of the storm, mate. What the fuck? was very short, but it's pretty good footage to be fair.
Low on the ground.
Again.
Is it right here?
Can't see anything.
What?
But I can't see a fucking thing. I don't want to hear people's get. That's. I want to see the footage of it. I don't like that. That makes me cringe out. Just like hearing.
I love everyone, man. Yeah, I love all you guys.
Oh my god. I mean, to be fair, it's actually representing how you're gonna feel, man. They're probably in this moment thinking they might be done for, because they're saying all this stuff like you like sort of say as like a, well, if this is it, you know, kind of thing. Bloody hell.
We're gonna be okay. I love you.
Jesus, Heavenly Father.
Thank you. Guys all okay? Yes. Go, stay down. Is everyone okay below me? Right here, I'm okay. All right, I'm trying not to lay on someone.
Somebody's on my back.
Can't really see it though.
Oh no! 6 o'clock! Stay calm.
Harvest, Alabama. Oh my days, this is like a fucking bomb just.
I think that's going to be rain.
They're just sucking up.
Think we're going to be able to see that on a video?
Do you think that's it? Like right there where it's...
It's darker than everywhere else.
Yeah.
That's it.
Look over here. How look at the clouds going like in a circle. And look right there.
Let's see. Here we go. Here.
Oh my word.
There it is.
That is it. I understand why the storm chasers just can't leave. Okay.
I think we're fixing to go somewhere. I don't know where the hell
Have
we're
to
going.
go here in a second.
Oh, it's getting to them.
Look at that. Look at that. It's getting stuff.
Yeah.
It's getting stuff.
Open the door.
I think it's coming
It's fixing to hit
towards
right
them.
on top of us.
Look at the debris. Look at the debris up in the air. Oh my gosh, look at the move. That's
Watch it.
somebody
Watch it.
pushing.
Okay.
Look at this.
That's the tornado. We're on it. It's on it. Right there. Oh my God. Who's that S5?
It's coming for them.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Maybe not.
Oh my God.
There it goes.
It's right there. The tornado is right there.
Oh my days,
Get
bro.
him.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was insane.
Bloody hell, man. Fucking hell, that footage is mental.
Insight. The things I will do for insight. This is a tornado and I cannot tell which way it is going, so I don't know how to get away from it. But it looks like it's coming right towards me.
Oh god, that's gotta be a fucked situation, hasn't it?
Yeah, I'd say it's gonna come right over me.
Move then.
Let me see if I can back up here a little bit and get under the bridge.
That's not what you want to do. I mean, this is on live.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's coming right over me.
You've been saying that for fucking hell. You've been saying that for 20 seconds. 20 seconds. You could have got at least somewhere. Like you.
Oh crap. I have honestly never been in a tornado before.
I guess mate is coming for you, bro. Oh, this is fucked. The fact that this is on live leak as well makes me think, yeah, this is gonna go one way. He's just sitting there.
Totally crazy.
He's just
Coming
sitting
right.
there.
It is coming right over the top of me. Except
Oh my god. Oh, this is pissing me off. your life is so much more important than the video, man.
Oh my god.
I mean, I get it. He's probably just like so like. This is what I'm saying. Like in this moment, it's probably a lot different actually being there than sort of me talking. Right? I understand that, but you've had so long to just get out of the way.
That's crazy.
That's a monster of a tornado as well.
Crazy, crazy.
I'm praying for him. It doesn't go over him, honestly, because that does not look good,
Ridiculous.
mate. Yeah,
Oh,
bro. Oh my days.
that is scary. The truck is. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes.
Has he just missed him?
Oh no. Yeah. That is completely crazy.
He's literally just missed it by like the skin of his teeth.
The truck feels like it's about to lift up off the ground. Not lying. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Ooh, look at that. I don't know. I'm not getting out to look.
That is one
I'll
lucky
look
man.
and see if there's any truck damage later. It actually bent the mirror backwards. Both mirrors backwards. Oh, there it is. Can't tell if it's coming back around or not.
Jesus Christ, brother. Oh, jeez. It's hard to see because he's not recording it. So you can see the whole tornado. You can only see that part of it. Alright. Oh, this one looks mental. The Moore, Oklahoma 2013. Let's get to when it. Oh my. Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. Oh my days. That's a big old boy. Is it coming towards them a little bit? It kind of is. I mean, it's definitely on the outskirts of it, the edge. Outskirts is a weird way to put it, but. Right, it's left them. Bloody hell, man. He was so close to that. Okay, this is some old footage. East Limestone. That's 2011. Just looks like it's been recorded on a potato. The fact that this is number 2 and I know what's number 1. Yeah, it's coming. The house is still standing. Okay. So this is, I've seen this one so many times. People, I assume if you're someone who's like seen these reactions or seen just tornadoes before, you would have seen this. I fucking hate this video. It's so creepy. Like when it gets so close to them and everything just gets destroyed. I fucking hate this video. It's so messed up. And then when you know the backstory of it and everything, it's just horrifying. I don't want to watch it through, and I don't really want to watch it with sound either. It really just, when it starts getting close to them, man. Like the trees start falling, the houses just get like collapsed. Like look at that, bro. I can't. The pylon moves forward, doesn't it, as well? Fucking absurd, mate. That is the craziest footage of any tornado ever, man. Absolutely ridiculous. I didn't read the comments last video, but mate, okay, these ones shown this on the second, like the part 2 of this reaction were definitely a lot more intense for sure. But man, that Clem Schultz one is something else. But there we go. Like I said, it's very easy for me to say during these videos, oh, just move out of the way, don't sit in the line of it. Like for example, that guy in the truck waiting under the bridge, like he was saying for a good minute, like, oh, I don't know what to do, should I move or not? And I'm thinking to myself, you've had a minute to move, but at the end of the day, he missed it somehow. Like he did get lucky in that sense, but like, would you be better off at least trying to outrun it at that point, trying to sort of move out the direction of the way that you think that it's going? It's probably very hard to tell, and again, it's easy to say in this this reaction, but man, I just feel like you got to do something other than just sit there like a duck, you know. But hey, that's me. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this interesting. Let me know your thoughts, and until next time, like, subscribe, and peace.